Yo, what is up, guys? So today we're going to be changing the oil on this 2005 Kia Sportage. We're going to be using a K&N filter with 5W30 oil made by Castrol. But first, let's jack up the car. We're just going to chuck off the wheels so it doesn't go anywhere. Alright, so now I'm going to take out these 12mm bolts holding the dirt cover so we can get a better access to the oil filter since it's at an angle. We're going to put our cat pan right over here. And this bolt is a 17mm. Alright, so now we can unscrew it by hand. And out she goes. So you want to let it drain for about 5 minutes. I turned on the engine for about 5 minutes so the oil is a little warmer. And it's flowing out a little bit better. All right, so now that the oil is done dripping out, we're gonna screw it back on there. I had to put the phone down for a little bit because I had to use both hands. I still gotta put the phone down. Alright, there we go. And if you don't have a tool or it's too tight on there, you can always stick a screwdriver down here. Also, one more thing, you want to make sure that the gasket of the oil filter comes out and it doesn't stick on here, so you don't double gasket. Alright, so let's take our new oil filter. Get some oil. Put some in there. Alright, now you want to take some of this oil. You just want to lube the rubber seal. Let's stick it back in. There we go. She's in there. All right, now we're gonna take this out of the way. All right, so this engine takes about 4.8 quarts. If you don't have a funnel, you can always cut open a water bottle. You don't need a funnel. Alright, so now we're just going to turn on the engine. to make sure the oil gets to where it needs to be. All right, let's go check our dipstick. We have a much cleaner oil, better than it was before. So let's go ahead and clean this off, and that's a job well done.